when I got out.
Yeah?
My knees touched my chin. Recording, cool. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I got something really special for you guys right over here. Check this out until he pops the hood right here. Casper, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'm so bad with names. I remember faces, but not names. Okay. So, this is his Honda Civic HatchBack Sport. Do you want to go ahead and talk about what you've done to the car?
Yeah, like, well, so far, on the engine wise, I have the PRL Front Pipe, Downpipe, Catted. I have the PRL Flex Fuel Kit. I have the 27.1 on W1. I have the inlet from 27.1 as well. I got the intercooler from PRL as well, with the Ktuner.
And suspension wise, have you done anything to your suspension? It looks a little lowered already, right?
Yeah, I went with Eibach, so I got the Sportline.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the one that I have.
These are the same ones I have too, the Sportlines.
Yeah.
They actually sit really nice. Though. What are your wheel specs, if you don't mind me asking?
Those are the 225/35s, 19s, the ESR
These are 19s?
Yeah.
I would have never guessed. I would have never guessed. These actually look really good. Yeah. But I think looking at it, oh yeah, they are 19s. You're not lying. It's the lip.
Yep.
The lip of the wheel. These look really nice, man. I do like the color scheme that you have going on right here. The white. Yeah. Honestly, white. Doesn't matter if you have blue, bronze, gold, black, white wheels. Like, it just looks good overall. Yeah. Last hatchback I was that Manny's. Everybody complimented on this one, and I'm gonna do the same thing. This duckbill spoiler, whatever you guys want to call it, man, just complements these cars so well and gives it a really good design in the rear. And I feel like it's like perfect. It's not too much, it's not over the top, it's not like it looks really great. And
I got something that you're gonna be familiar. I got the DDR Greddy.
Oh, that's right. This is the one that my boy has on his. Yeah, this one's gonna sound nice, man. I'm still tripping out that you said you have 19s, bro.
Yeah, remember I told you that he was gonna say that.
It looks really good. Like I said, 19s on this does not look bad at all. But like I said, it's definitely the lip. And then you said you have different taillights on here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, chill, dude. This looks nice, man. And you said you're big turbo too, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, you kept the heat shield on there too, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and that. Oh wow, yeah. I would have never guessed. That's a little stealthy right there.
Yeah, you know, just trying to be like sleeper.
What turbo did you say you were on again?
On the turbo, mm-hmm. I got a W1.
The W1?
Yeah.
Or random question. Does that really make a difference, the strap bar?
Yes.
Opinion?
In my opinion, on this one, yes. And I've been familiar with the strawberries, as I was telling you, since back in the days. Mm-hmm. And I really thought I had this. You know what the funny part is, that I had the CD motor on this one, mm-hmm. And but it was just holding like 2 volts, so I didn't feel as stiff as I was expecting. But really? On this one, when I changed it to the 27.1, bro, like the handling is like way different.
Really?
Completely different.
Oh shoot, okay. I'm gonna have to look into that. It's like, no officer, I swear it's stock.
Yeah, I didn't know it was there.
Do you have a motor mount? I can feel it.
I forgot.
I can feel it.
Yeah, the 27.1. Yeah.
I'm gonna turn on the AC a little bit just para que me relaje, because I am dying. I don't know how you guys do it with this heat, man. I don't know how you guys do it with this heat. I'm gonna make sure that this is actually recording, unlike the last time I did that. I drove that Type R, my Gorbo just decided to say, nah, never mind. Like, you're not gonna record. I'm like, really? You only have 6,000 miles.
Yeah.
No manches, dude. When did you, oh my god, what shifter did you say you have?
A kitty.
The whole shifter assembly? Oh my god, bro. You have it at the shortest setting, huh?
Yeah.
Bro, this is gonna be fun. Stock clutch too?
Yes.
All right, guys, let's see how I do, because, oh my God, I'm still hesitating even though stock clutch. Oh, that motor mount sounds really good. It feels good.
Yeah, before I used to have the which one it was though? Like the Edge Hassport. Hassport.
The Hassport one?
Yeah, and I had the 62. But for some reason, dude, like, I don't know, I didn't feel comfortable with it. And then I switched for the 27.1, and they gave me the, I think it's the 88, something like that.
Is there only one setting for from the 271?
Yeah, I think so.
Because I know Hassport has like 3 or 4 different ones, right?
Yeah.
From like 62 all the way to like 100 and some.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, dude. to go left or right?
Whichever one.
No conozco aquí, por eso pregunto. Okay. I gotta get used to your short shifter still.
Yeah.
I do like it though. Everyone's telling me to get it, that I should just gone with that one instead. I might have to. I might have to make the upgrade. Oh, these are nice little roads. That's where the RV was going.
Yeah.
I'm a little scared because I hesitate because it's not my car, you know what I mean? But like with the whole strut bar, okay, you are
There it is.
the strut bar. that turn right there was wow, dude. My bad. Oof. Okay. How much PSI? Where do you max out on your PSI?
Apparently, right now, according to Derek, we left it at 21.
21.
Yeah.
Is there different maps, or is this the tune for the car? Like,
I have
There's
right
only-
now, like you using it on the map 3. So I got the same as for map 1, 2, and
3. Okay. Let me ask you this: how's your drone
3. Bro,
when you're on the highway?
really, really, really beautiful. Dude. It's just like everybody's just like, here it comes.
I figured, man. Like, they hear you coming around the corner, dude, around the block.
Yeah, but you know what? The funny part is that a lot of people that has like pulled up next to me, they're like, dude, like it sounds really nice, like smooth. It doesn't sound like you know, raspy or anything like that. It's like, dude, like no.
Oh my god, dude. So this is a big turbo.
Yep.
Dude, that boost like hits really good. I'm not gonna tell you how fast I was going, guys, but there's 3 people in the car and it pulls. Like, Jesus. You know, how much farther can we go? This is such a nice, like, random spot too.
It's actually clean.
Oh my god, dude. I'm trying so hard not to do this constantly, man, because it's not my car. But this
Like I
is
said,
so... To all my hatchback folks out there, stay winning. You guys have something good with this platform. Like, I hate it when people say, just get an SI, just get a Type R. You don't need to get the trim that everybody wants. Get something that you like. Like, this is not a bad platform. It's very, very similar, other than some engine components and suspension-wise, to the car from the SI. There's nothing wrong with going big on a hatchback, guys. This is a really, really good... Okay, and I gotta see how this turns a little bit right there. And I'm gonna ask one more time. You said stock clutch?
Yep.
E85? Big turbo?
Yes, sir.
If I had a hats off, dude. Because that's... okay. Those Eibach springs are holding really well. That strut bar, okay. I'm not even doing an exaggerated turn, guys, but that strut bar made a difference. Yeah, I could already tell it handles better than mine.
Yeah, and you know what? Like that's one of the the topics that it's out there, bro. Like you said, you touch a point because a lot of people they just like, oh, you know, I just might as well just get an SI, get a Type R, you know. But honestly, I was going like I said, like going for the SI. They didn't have it on the 2021 because like obviously they didn't make it.
Yeah.
But and they told me, well, we got the F Sport. That's all right. I'll take it, bro. A difference, like you say, like, you know, the other components, I'm happy with it, you know, like he does the job, like it's like,
considering you have 6,000 miles on the car, already has double the work from what I have on mine. Great. Gracias, because I don't know this road.
Me either,
I almost went the
like-
wrong way.
that's how excited we getting.
I'm getting excited, man. Wait for it, build 3,000. Dude, I want to keep going, but I don't want to do it. say, okay, after driving, there's no stopper here? Okay, cool. After driving this one, I was very hesitant on getting the rear motor mount. I think I'm probably gonna have to do it now. It doesn't feel that bad. The vibration's not as bad. From my 8th gen, that one was a lot rougher. That one legitimately felt like a race car. That one was just, dude, it vibrated your organs, dude. Like, it was not daily drivable friendly. But I got it, and it did stiffen it up, and it was fine. There was nothing wrong with it. But comparing it to this one, wait. Okay.
There it is.
Oh my god. I weigh that exhaust. Dude! I'm gonna go back home in my salty SI, stuck in traffic,
Like,
hitting 80 in like fucking 20 seconds. Dude, this is, it's not over the top, but it's also not like Boodle Sleeper.
yeah.
Dude, I bet you hurt feelings in this car every now and then.
Bro, I'm telling you, like, now like that I have almost done everything possible with it. Like, I see a lot of people, you know, like, and pulling out next to me, and then just start like, you know, just hugging me, like, vroom, vroom. Dude, as soon as we take off, like, you know, I mean, what is it, the GT, the Mustang?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm being there next to them.
Really?
Yeah, like one of my boys.
So they don't pull away. You're like right there and hanging onto the bumper.
Them, yeah.
Okay.
Which one is the Subi? The BR.
The BRZ or
BRZ?
WRX?
No, the BRZ. Bro, I'm sorry to say it, but I have smoked them just like nothing. You know, like.
Well, I'm gonna be quite honest with that too. Like BRZs, and this is a different topic, guys, but BRZs and FRS, the NA platform to the FA20, they're not meant to go in a straight line. Not saying that a Civic is either, but like comparing it stock to stock, Civic's gonna beat it down all the time, man. Yeah. Even with boosted, my friend has a supercharged FRS. It's quick. I have yet to drive a turbo FRS BRZ or 8.6 in general, but should I make a left right here? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. But like, I know they're good platforms overall, but you got to put more money into that than into the Civic to get it where speed-wise, if we're just talking pure speed. Handling's different, but pure speed, it's a different ballpark. Uno más. Okay, that boost like hit really well.
No problem.
You have 30% ethanol?
Yeah.
So are you running not full E85, right?
Nope.
Okay. So let me ask you this. Why not full E85?
Because according to my tuner guy, he was telling me, like, you know, like he just wanted to play it safe.
Mm-hmm.
So
Right. Okay.
yeah. So that way we don't harm it, you know, the internals. So it was like, just in case you want to do something else, but you have to go and start, you know, opening up more.
You know,
bigger.
And I asked that because I'm still learning with this platform as much as you guys are. Like, there's obviously going to be more people that know so much more knowledge than I do, and I hear both good and bad about the 85 with this particular platform. I guess head studs don't like it.
Yeah.
Like, you'll end up causing like a gasket leak or something if you go full 85. Again, I could be wrong, guys. I could be just saying something out of my ass, but this is what I've read on the forums. This is what I read on Facebook and on my whole feed, that I see people say, go E30, go E40, don't go full 85, mix it, and you'll be fine. I'm like, okay. Oh shit, I was in third. My bad. You are right though. That stock clutch does still hold really, really, really well. I need to get my priorities straight. I need to see what the hell I'm gonna do with my 10th gen and see where I'm gonna go, what the plan is, because this is like, driving all these different cars is such a huge like game changer. Like, don't get me wrong, I love my SI. I love what it does. I love it for what it is and how it gives me the satisfaction of what I need without sounding corny. But damn, I'm gonna be salty and sitting in traffic not knowing that I don't have a big turbo now.
Dude, it changed my way of thinking as well. So
It's guys, 1.5 liters, 1.5 liters, and you have all this with it, and it's safe. So long as you drive it safe and take care of it, you'll be fine. Boy's still on a stock clutch, so, and it holds strong. I didn't feel any slipping.
Well, now you believe me.
Damn. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In the description is gonna have his Instagram, his social media, and I'm also gonna have a list of his mods in the description, because I know you guys are gonna be asking what does he have and everything. So everything's gonna be down there, and I hope you guys liked the video. Leave a like if you guys like it. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe, and let's keep it going. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.